Come on the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. I have another bad mind video today. Today we have a bad mind. In particular, the artist named Dexta Daps. Yet. Same time to get bad mind. Yeah. When you left him on, let him alone and talk about, when you talk about this and talk about that. Or you could just steer your way out. Bad mind time. Feel the rhythm, feel the ride. Get on up. It's bad mind time. I can talk about the Irish Saxon artist is so talented that they make something as grimy as murder sound romantic and sexy. One of the people who can do it very well is Dexta Daps. These Irish Saxons, if they use their talent, if they use the power of music for what them to use it for, I'm telling you, Iron Man, the world will be a different place. Right. Now you have people like Dexta Daps show you why the machine have to make sure so the artist puppet. Right. Go down them road there. Because if them ever use them talents for anything substantial, and the world turn upon its head. Also use this video for reminding about Sunday. I will deal with the out of many one people. You know, so time I want to know well in advance about them video, you know, say controversial, you know, say can't I go step on, you know, so them I go say right, off with his head. I give you advance time for brace. Get all the emotions from now. So when time Sunday come, adjust the reason and the rationale left. The same video there got build around an incident that took place recently. It might look very superficial on the surface, but there's a big underlying issue. I will talk about it again. Advanced warning. Sunday. Will be uncomfortable. Next thing, see them put out update about the Gabriel King story. If them look through phone and can't find certain things and certain things wipe off a phone, you don't even need no link in a JSF to that. Look like you don't understand how the modern smartphone work. You think so the old time days this with BlackBerry and Peanut phone and 3310. I will talk about that in a separate video. Man, Gabriel King case look like nothing now come out of it. Surprise, surprise. We could talk about Dexta Daps and artists like him. Them man make murder sound good. Them man make murder sound romantic. Them man make murder sound sexy. If you want to know the difference, one of the biggest difference between the modern day Irish Saxon DJ guy and the older type of Irish Saxon DJ guy, the two of them put out murder music. You know, them they call it murder music unless it talk about the LGBT community, right? Because you know that's the only thing we can say murder music, but a murder music. What is the difference between them? Inherently, two of them say the same thing, you know. But the modern Irish Saxon artists, some of them so gifted that them can make murder sound sexy. May I give you an example? What a gunman song used to sound like and what a gunman song sound like now. May I give an example of what a murder music song sound like back then and what a murder music song sound like now. And why it is easier to infiltrate the minds of the masses and the youth in particular now than it was back then. You see, long time quote unquote bad man song was very harsh. Right? It was very harsh on the ears, meaning it never really have no whole heap of melody like that. Right? There was a few people who would sing. Like the sing J isn't really a brand new concept. Enough man used to sing, right? Song where when you listen to it, are really a more bad man type of song, but them are sing, right? But the way you consider a bad man DJ or a bad man song, this is what it sound like back in the day. Right? For example, when Shabba ranks, I love all of the gun them, keep them shine and crisp. That's what Badman song used to sound like. Or, for example, Bounty Killer. Badman kill for fun. No perplex them gun. That when them song they start playing at the party, that was like the quote unquote Badman segment. But you see when that a play, not much dancing a go on. Not much. That part of the party gets spooky, right? All who last screw start screw harder. That at the worst time of the party we step on a man's shoes, cause you might dead. And then you have the soul section now where the place get lovey-dovey again, then you get but the Badman song them, most of the Badman song, let me say there were always a few exceptions, most of the Badman song them were always very grimy, and you could tell say like most women never really interested in that part of the party, them really. Nowadays, them man you make Badman song sound sexy. People like Dexta Daps, them man they turn Badman song in our souls. The Irish Saxon Dexta Daps have a song named Shabba Madda. First time I see the song title, I thought, oh, that's interesting. We're going to hear a song about a recipe for cooking. We're going to hear about Shabba Madda's recipe. So, man, I said this must be really creative because we're going to hear man rhyme lyrics now talking about scallion and thyme. We're going to start here about onion. We're going to start here about pepper. We're going to start here about the curry. This is an interesting song. We're going to hear Shabba Madda's recipe. It must be a legendary recipe to make a whole song upon it. This is interesting. When me listen, it wasn't no recipe for cooking. It was a recipe for murder. It was a recipe for disaster. This Irish Saxon is so talented that him take a concept where at face value looks so innocent, Shabba Madda part, and somehow twist it in a Badman song. And not just any Badman song, a Badman song where even a 3-year-old can catch. It is so catchy. It has so much melody that even the baby can sing along to it. Them new Badman songs sound so good and so easy to digest. You could have played them in a church and get away with it. That's why it's easier now to connect with the youths than back then. Badman song was an entire niche, right? It was like you'd have to go in a segment at the party or go look for the type of song there. But when it comes down to playing and like the girls and everybody just joining in, woman never really check for Badman song like that. That's why back in the day them used to say, yo, that DJ, that Badman DJ, and the DJ after the girls them. And that's how it go. Not now. That Dexta Daps guy is one talented Irish Saxon puppet, you know. I tell you, if them people did use them ability for what them to use it for, the plantation turn upside down a long time, you know. Let me explain something to you now. In our modern times, entertainment teach people, teach society, teach the youths them values and them beliefs. The days when time we sit down in one village around campfire and the elders them are passed down morals and values, them days they're done. It is entertainment and entertainers, right, where people learn them values from right now. That's why in 2024, when somebody tell about music, it just words, you know, set the person in a sense. People are shaping them values and their belief systems off entertainment. That's how powerful it is. It's even more powerful than ever because now it's easily accessible. You never have to go buy one cassette and then find one cassette player and then you have to go push your finger and twist and twist and twist and them they're sitting there. You know how hard it used to be to get certain tune one time. You know how hard it was to get access to music one time. We want ear constantly. Walkman was like a game changer. On the earphone over your ears and walk down the road. That was like a game changer. And now, it's 1,000 times easier than that. Them singing sound like souls. Shabba Madda part. Now Shabba Madda part, Dexta Daps said, long time you know, killer man. That the part they are one of the catchiest part of the song. Me I tell you, say them Irish Saxon, you know. Them have a special place in the Irie heaven, you know. You see the part of the song where say, long time me no kill a man, even the pitney them. That's their favorite line, nice song. Then the part soaking in the cranium. This Irish Saxon take something we inherently grimy and somehow turn it into the sweetest part. Long time me no kill a man. So, but here's the thing. If Dexta Daps did say, long time him no kill a sprat, he would have to go up on him knee, go apologize and own responsibility for his lyrics. Right now, Dexta Daps to tell us, say, yo, Shabba Madda party is just words, just art, and song can't do nobody, and song can't go in anybody's head and make nobody get into nothing at all. It's just words. However, if him just add the word batty in front of the man, right, the same song, you know, instead of long time, you know, kill a man, but him add the word batty in front of the man, he would have to, right, go up on him knee and say him sorry, and he would own responsibility for his lyrics. Well, let now listen to me. Right, is your speakers working? Is your speaker working? Una dos tres? Un, deux, trois? Speaker working? He would own responsibility for his lyrics. And say, well, you know, the music hurts people. And because he said that, you know, people were hurt and it would incite violence. But because he didn't add the word before man, it's okay because that, who cares? It's just art, bro. Get over it. Them man your bad man song now sound like souls. You can rub-a-dub to this is the first time I can think about where you can rub-a-dub. You can make love to gunman tune. When certain bad man segment use a command at the party, the whining, the woman them whining stop. Okay, you can't whine to aisle up all of the gun them. Unless you're drunk. You must see under yes. Real nephew must see a beat you like a get a drum. Right. But them song ya, woman are whining and going because it sound the same. Dexta Daps Shabba Madda part sound just like him Lover Boy sang them. You can make love to bad man song. A be a melody the man them a come with. You know who else do that well? Movado. Movado murder song them sound like something you can play in a Sunday school. When you're the DJ guy, why not make certain more, you know, conscious? Him say, yo, them song they not eat dog because them song they nobody will want them song there. Maybe because you don't put as much effort in them song. You see what them doing? Them go to the studio go make one look. Yeah, and the peace and the love and then when the song they go with them say, see it, nobody don't want to hear that. But if you listen to the rhythm, I lamest rhythm. So when man make conscious song, you know, them go for the lamest rhythm. Then go for the most vocalist engineer, right? The melody off. Nothing about it. But when man make bad man song, them dig deep into them talent bag. You ever notice? They make like couple song just for appease people and say, see, me make positive song and they go nowhere. Yeah, but the rhythm them mad like that tune them. When time man make bad man song, them find the maddest rhythm them. Them find the catchiest melody. When Skilly Banger make bad man song, the crocodile teeth rhythm, right? The crocodile teeth melody, them they design for soaking in your brain. When we make positive song, yeah, and that's why me say we must love each other, and then we go down the road, let's hold hands, kumbaya. The bad no want you that. To see, tell us about, tell us, you know, that's why make be a bad man song. No, use the same energy. Be like mad with him too. Where the melody there, where the vibe there, where the catchy part there, where the dance to it there. You know the dance to it. You build right for walk and this and that for this, but coming on the dance to the contest, oh yeah, we know what I do. They're not getting the effort. See, these DJ guys have somehow managed to crack the code on how to make bad man murder song appealing, but they can't do it with conscious song. Them don't know how to make conscious song appealing to the masses, but them know how to make murder song appealing to the masses. Them can't make a conscious song, right? Like Shabba Madda Pot. You don't have nothing We can compare to the line that long time we no kill a man. If those lines were something positive, right? In no way make it sound so catchy. Make him go in the studio go build one song positive and then go in there like him asleep. Yeah, and we must live good together, and yeah man, shout out the one youth down the road where knocked himself in a trouble, and let's live together, kumbaya. But when you tell him about murder, long time we no kill a man, but we circle the ends at the time man, full of style, in brain start work, full speed. So they have not cracked the code on how to make songs that can actually turn around. Right. The national consciousness. They have not cracked the code to make that sound appealing. But they have somehow managed to make something that is inherently harder and grimier appealing, which is badness. They can make something as ugly as badness and murder and war look sexy and appealing. But they might tell you say, consciousness and upliftness is boring. But my tell you say consciousness and uplifting thing boring. Nobody no want to hear that. They've somehow managed to make people want to hear about killing. But then can't figure out the code. They don't know how to make consciousness appealing. At least that's what they say. Remember say the quote unquote reggae compassion act. Make DJs sign saying nah sing certain lyrics because it incite violence against Icebreak Backerman's community. The Reggae Compassion Act don't have no compassion for the straight man. But if you add Batty before it, then suddenly the compassion kick in. Just man by itself. So long time you no kill a man, that's fine. Long time you no kill a Sprite, okay sir, you have to go sign this and apologize right now. Compassion time. They don't even have compassion for children. How much song a year say murder the pitney? Murder the whole family. That no trigger of compassion neither. And you people are telling me this is not by design. These people have more quote-unquote compassion for Icebreak Backerman's community than they have for children. You can literally sing songs to make kill off the whole family. Right, and you can still travel and go over the whole world. Right, but if you see a kill off couple sprat, then things get spooky for your visa. Things get spooky if you show them what you book for. You don't find that strange? Show me where a DJ say man, kill the granny or kill the family or kill the pitney and he was cancelled and couldn't go away. Right, for go work a foreign and have to apologize and take back and walk back and say nah sing them song again. Show me now. That's what I thought. Just remember, somebody sung in a studio and come up with a concept for Shabba Madda part and talk about everything except where in iPad. Let me say that one more time. Just think about the fact that somebody go around the studio go come up with a concept about Shabba Madda part and talk about everything except where in iPad. We don't hear about the chicken, we don't hear about the beef, we don't hear about the stew, we don't know if it's an ital meal, we don't know if it's a vegan meal, we don't hear about the scallion, we don't hear about the thyme, we don't hear about the black pepper, we don't hear about the coconut, we don't hear the coconut grated down, we hear about the scheme hot. We say nobody have you don't give a damn. But we don't hear about the yellow yam. Them level of talent and creativity them have, with them channel into negativity, if they ever used it. Right. For positivity and upliftment, when they see the culture, the nation, the people as a whole, right, on a different level. But them do them go out and they make some generic quote unquote uplifting stuff. Yeah, let's hold hands and kumbaya. And then when the bad no want you, them say, see it in a word, that's why make Shabba Madda part and talk about killing. But just ask him, or your rhythm sound different when you make them song. Or your melody sound different. Clearly you are a very creative and talented person. You gotta crack the code if you want to crack it. I'm gonna tell you what them boss already. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.